and I'm back at y'all with another one, man. Thank you for the love and support, man. All my subscribers, all my moderators, all my members, man. Make sure y'all join, man. I got something special for the members and the moderators, man, coming up, man. We're going to have us a little private session, but enough of that, man. It's the rise and fall of OTF, man. OTF, man, they've been hot on fire, man, since the beginning. Chief Keef brought them out, man, made it, man. You wouldn't know who OTF was without Chief Keef, man. So shout out to the GOAT, man. Chief Keef, man. He put them on. LIL DURK secured it, man. He locked it in, man. And he owned it. And ever since he been owning it and everything, man, it's been some goods for him, but bad for others, man. When I say good for him, he going to the top. You know, he done been through a lot, too. He done been in jail for guns and all type of guns, man. That if a normal nigga would have went for, man, he'll be in jail right now. But, you know, money talks and bullshit walks, I guess. But, yeah, man, it's like LIL DURK, man, you know, he got the power, so he playing people like chess moves, man. Turn 600, the whole 600 against each other, man. They don't even see it. Turned all of them. He scooped Book up, scooped some of the main people up who got a voice over there, and everybody else goofies now. You know, everybody around them, man, they going to jail, man. They going down. No lawyers or none of that. But LIL DURK, man, he's still rising, man. That's what happened when you rise. Now we got a guy named Fredo, man, who's not from Chirac. He's not from Chicago. He ain't from none of that. He getting a miss and say, whatever LIL DURK say, if LIL DURK say F him, man, I'm saying F him, man. You sound like a hot groupie. You sound like a hot groupie. Would you get on your knees and tell me love him if he told you to? Would you get on your knees and kiss his ring like the man Al Capone or something? Hey, Fredo, man, you starting to look embarrassing, man. And Cash out there, man, yelling them, man. Hey, look, ain't no need for y'all to respond, man. Them boys are way up. I know responding, publicity, man, but, man, you can't talk to no guy you will never see potentially, man. And then if you see him, you know, your words, you better be ready, man. So it's better not off saying nothing, man. If you going to smack him or whatever you going to do to Fredo, man, just do it, man. And that's to Yella, too. King Yella go on all these rants, man, and be talking about what he going to do, man. Do it, man. Have that same energy when you see him. But, yeah, LIL DURK, man, you know, OTF, man, they rising in the music, man. They got all the music. They got all the music people with them. You know, they got Lil Baby, Thug, Gunna. Durk got everybody on this side, man. So it's a lot of blackballing going on within the Chicago community and with other places who they in tour with. LIL DURK got a lot of cases going on, man. He study making mistakes, man. He getting into it with Memo. He getting into it with people who are weak links, people who know history of their family members, you know what I'm saying, turn the state. So, you know, he gambling with his life. Then you got these out-of-towners, man, they making it no worse for him. Man, whatever LIL DURK say, it sound like you saying he the old leader. Fredo Bang. OTF, everybody in jail, bro. Everybody going to jail. Lil Reese, man, God bless you, man. If I was you, man, I'd just rap. Stay in the crib with my girl and rap from the crib, man. Get my features money, man. It ain't looking too good, man. It's not looking too good, man. Everything is being rapped about, incriminating. We did this. He did that. You notice he ain't saying he did nothing. He rapping about everybody else who's doing something. You know, and like I told y'all yesterday, man, the Tay situation, that's what broke up 600, man. Over a girl, man. And most of these wars do start over a girl. Over a girl. But yeah, I think they rose, man. They had their time, man. 2012, 13. Durk made a couple mistakes, man. He signed with Def Jam for $150,000. Him and Lil Reese, man. They end up spending the money. He couldn't bond out, so he called Sosa for the $10,000 Sosa left him. He had to go and do that time. Him and Sosa been into it ever since. Durk went through trials and tribulations. He came up though. He's one of the top rappers. But to still do the same stuff, to still talk about murders, to still talk about Duck, to still talk about a lot of stuff that Durk talking about, man, you ain't no player at all, man. You ain't smart, man. On everything. You an undereducated dummy, man. But yeah, Sloppy 5 done went down, man. No lawyers. Only one got lawyers is Moowop, man. It's like they rising, but they falling though. They killing themselves. They ain't falling because, you know what I'm saying, somebody else. They falling because they self, because the internet, man. But Fredo Bang, man, just be cool, bro. Like, be cool. I know you chasing it. You a little hot mama. You want all the fame. Young boy got it. So you trying to lean towards Dirk and them and ride all they clout, bro. It's a sad story and a sad ending, man. You know what I'm talking about. Then all y'all got Fed cases and all y'all, oh, man, I'm with him. I'm with him. I'm with him. Sound like a federal party to me. But this Trenches News, man, I'll be live tonight. I just had to do a little something on that. Talk about Fredo Bang. Talk about LIL DURK. Talk about all the success and problems. Shout out to LIL DURK, though. He got $1 million worth of game, man. He doing his thing, man. You can't hate on him. He feeding his guys. He taking care of the community. But he also destructing himself by doing the same thing that he keep on doing, man. So I hope, you know what I'm saying, that something get better off for him, man. Some nigga in his ear, somebody come in this camp, man, say, LIL DURK, man, we got to chill out with that, man. I'm talking about, man. You know, you got more cases than the law can allow, man. Then he got trial going on, him and Zoo, you know. But we already know that's the red man game. They're going to blame that on Vaughn. Everything happened on Vaughn. When he said on $1 million worth of game that Vaughn was the leader, one of the fans commented and was like, yeah, you see he touching on Vaughn. Hey, look, you got a valid point, my boy. When he said Vaughn was the leader, shit, Vaughn was the leader. He said that on $1 million game. That's what he sounded like he going to say in court. When they go to court for the case, because he still got a case. Him and Bezu got an attempted murder case and a murder case that's going on in Atlanta. I ain't never heard of nobody who haven't went to court and none of that, but, man, we're going to see what happened, man. But that's the rise and fall of OTF, man. All they members are locked up, in jail. You know, the ones who coming home, I don't even think they want the clout. We ain't seen Lil Law on the scene since he been out. You know, Lil Law smart. He know. His dad done been to the feds. He already know what's going on. But this Trenches News, man, I'll be live tonight. Make sure y'all join, man. I appreciate all y'all love and support. Man, make sure y'all be safe on this 30. And remember, Glock 23 with a stick. I'm out.